Oh, you're lovely, where we carry the largest selection of wood flowers in the United States. Welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we're gonna get all sorts of spooky. Welcome back to another tutorial, and it is a spooky one, and sort of spooky. It's cute spooky. We're going to play with this lovely wood wreath, wall hanger, whatever you want to call it. We make these. We do, right here in, well, not here. I'm in Wisconsin. Our warehouse is in North Carolina. Maggie and our team makes these lovely wooden wreaths. I think we're going to try to do a restock as this video goes up live so that we have a few for you guys if you're interested. We've sold out of these twice now. I'm super excited about this. I think it is absolutely adorable as is, and nothing needs to be done. Just add some flowers to the bottom. Boom, bang, ba. Boom, bang, bing. You're done. However, you're done. However, we're gonna do a little extra. I don't know what flowers yet I'm gonna use. I have a thought, but I have a feeling this is gonna be a I have to take a couple days to film this. So today, as I'm filming, we're gonna work on this part. Then we'll deal with this part afterwards. I think I came up with an awesome idea just 2 seconds ago, but I gotta pull it all together. So let's bring you on down, and we're going to, there's gonna be glitter. I'm really excited about the glitter. I'm having all these like epiphanies with this particular piece. So there is gonna be glitter, but there's also gonna be paint. So we're gonna bring the camera on down, get yourself something cozy and lovely to drink or not. I don't think I'm gonna be talking a lot. I have a feeling there's gonna be like spooky music going on in the background while I'm painting. But I will like pop in and say a few things if there's something that really needs to be discussed. In particular, maybe the sky that I'm gonna be working with, and then some of the other stuff I'm working on. All right, I'm jibber jabbering. I don't know why. It's not helpful for either of us. Okay, let's do this. So stinking excited. Okay, sorry. Steady hand. I need a steady hand, so I gotta chill out. All right, let's do this. I wanted to show. Yes, I will be working with this. It broke right off the handle, like as I was grabbing it, but I'm gonna use it. I'm not sure for which part, but I do have a variety of different paintbrushes, the colors, not anything super special, some purples, oranges, yellows, black and white. I also do have some of these cosmetic wedges. These are really great for kind of stamping or dabbing in some of your color. We might play around with that. I want to try to do an ombre effect possibly, or maybe we can dab some stuff on this or with a crumpled piece of paper towel to create some dimension in the moon. We'll see. We're full on, this is a full on creative play kind of thing. So I hope you enjoy the process. I doubt I'm gonna talk a lot through this. So snuggle in, and I'm gonna jump in. guys, I'm back. We've let this fully dry. So there is the seam done. There is glitter. Everything's better with glitter. If you don't agree, that's fine, but everything's better with glitter. So now we're gonna work on the bottom. And the bottom, what we're gonna do, I don't know if I've talked about this before. I feel like I have. I have an intense amount of purple moss. It was for a really good deal, $3. So I bought a whole bunch of it 2 years ago now, I think. I think we're down to 3 bags left. So I thought this would be a good moss to use at the bottom of this. So I'm gonna glue some of that down, and then I just have a plethora of orange and shades of orange flowers. I'm trying to pull some other really cool, fun ones. Just that were, you know, in the stash from different dyed assortments, from different projects I was working on, all sorts. So we have a whole bunch of orange flowers. I forgot to turn off my air conditioner, hold on. Whoopsie, it's so loud. So I got all of the orange flowers, and then there's a secret little, I don't know if it's gonna work. We're gonna try it together. I'm not gonna tell you what the secret ingredient at the end is, but it's gonna bump up that spookiness, is my hope. We'll see. Otherwise it'll just be a mess and we'll take it off. So I'm gonna bring it on down. We're going to glue a whole bunch of stuff, and that is that. And then at the end, spooky surprises. Okay, let's do it. You guys, it's done. There are spider. What do we think about these extra the spooky spider webs we added to the and the spiders? I should have given a heads up. I forgot that those. Sorry, I'm like super excited. The spider webs are from the dollar store. You can find what are they? Yeah, they just call it spider webbing. You can find it all over the place, but I always forget that there's little spider rings that are usually attached in there, so I put those in there too. So if you don't like creepy crawlies, I apologize. I didn't give you a heads up or a trigger warning, so to speak. Oh my gosh, and it turned out so cute, I think, and creepy, but like pretty creepy. This is an extra Halloween piece. We've got glitter, we've got webs, we've got spiders, we've got block coloring, we've got moss, we did some hand painting, like it has everything. Oh my gosh, so stinking excited about this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. These particular wood wreaths we do make here, not in this studio, but in our warehouse. I think I said that the same way the last time I said this. In North Carolina, we design and print wood pieces, as well as having the largest selection of wood flowers in the United States. So take a look at that. I believe we just restocked these as this video is going live. And once those are gone, they're probably gone for the season. They take a decent amount of time to print, so it takes a while for us to create those for you guys. Oh, I love it so much. So let's do the wrap up, shall we? If you're loving this channel, can't get enough, want to know the next time we post a video, which is typically on Wednesdays, make sure to subscribe, and where is it? Right here. Why don't we right here? Ring that bell if you so feel inclined to do so. to find out about the 150 style Sola wood flowers along with craft supplies and greenery and, you know, these kind of things. So yeah, that's a craft supply. Those kind of things. Go to ohyourlovely.com, but before you do, let me grab you something. Use the code YouTube30 to get 30% off your first order. I think that's everything. Have a lovely, spooky day, and I will see you super soon. I'm Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, and you, my friends, are absolutely lovely. Bye, guys.